Continuing coverage now of an animal cruelty case in Candler County. Angela Powell faces several charges after dozens of dogs were rescued from an alleged puppy mill that she owned. News 3's Martin Staunton has more in her latest court appearance today from Metter.
Good evening to you and to everyone watching. The prosecutors here say this is the biggest animal cruelty case they've handled in memory.
Angela Powell
made an appearance as her case was supposed to be set on the calendar for trial on 35 charges of animal cruelty, but her trial will be delayed.
I've spoken with the state. We're asking to continue the case for term.
Shook seeks more time to receive documents he's requested from the Department of Agriculture. The chief assistant prosecutor in the case explains why he didn't fight the delay.
I will say that the discovery in this case is very voluminous. There's a lot of moving parts. The crime scene was very large. And so this gives both parties a better chance to prepare for what's going to be a very involved trial.
More than 100 German Shepherds were rescued from Powell's property in Candler County. Experts found dogs in a sickening situation, cramped quarters with diseased dogs living in their own excrement.
I would say use the word victims, and so anytime you have a case with a large number of victims, we always want to represent them to the best of our ability.
Powell did not address the court, but she did start her legal fight 6 months before authorities closed her reported puppy mill, filing this notice of her intent to sue for $3 million for being harassed by agencies pushing for better conditions for her dogs. The prosecutor urges public patience in this case.
But we want to make sure that the case proceeds correctly and that the parties have a time to look and examine of all the evidence and for us to get ready and for the other side to get ready, because we do want it to be a fair trial.
But the attorney did say that his client is innocent until proven guilty. Fitzner says if she's found guilty on all counts, she faces more than 100 years in prison. No trial date has been set at this time. Reporting in Metter, I'm Martin Staunton, WSAV News 3.